Hamilton and the competition admins for hosting us. Thank you to TechTerra for sponsoring us, and thank you to the judges for listening to our presentation. We are Debbie Hewitt,
Marcus McRae,
Joe Computer,
and we are students from SAIT, and we're very excited to share our ideas with you. Our strategy focuses on dynamic, data-driven solutions that support sustainable growth and development while preserving the heritage of arts and culture that make this city great. Our aim is to ensure smooth accessibility for attendees while enhancing their time in Steel City, whether it be for a day, a weekend, or a lifetime. TD Coliseum reopened in November 2025 and can host up to 18,000 attendees per event. Since opening, major acts and upcoming events continue a legacy started by its predecessor, Cox Coliseum. This reputation for art and entertainment has shaped the city, with a thriving art and food scene that makes Hamilton the best parts of a big city and a small town combined. Ticket sales by location show a clear divide. For more locally focused venues, sales are typically concentrated around Hamilton. Meanwhile, TD Coliseum has attendees that come from across the Golden Horseshoe and beyond for a chance to see their favorite band. Data suggests that up to a third of concertgoers come from Toronto alone. It is in our best interest to cater to the two main origin groups of Hamilton locals and Toronto GTA visitors by designing arrival guidance and gate distribution around their expected travel modes and approach corridors.
Okay. So our main possible issues we're facing are high vehicle traffic during events, which congest the downtown core of Hamilton. We're also focusing on EMS response times, as well as herd behavior near the three main gates causing overflow, while others are seeing not much activity. In addition, the typical growing pains of a thriving city combined with world-class mainstream entertainment threatens to make the area less hospitable for the local population, and the exodus of which strip Hamilton of what makes it such a vibrant and interesting city. Our goals, or our desired end goals, our approach follows the framework of the City of Hamilton's strategic priorities of growing Hamilton's reputation as a leading tourism destination, cultivating vibrant tourism districts, promoting and supporting sustainability of natural assets, as well as strengthening Hamilton's major events and festival sector. We propose a solution that reduces vehicle circling / idling by improving gate distribution, promote public transit to and from the destination, more specifically within the downtown core, and improves the experience for both visitors and also the residents of Hamilton.
and so our solution is using dynamic routing within an app to let attendees and guide them based off congestion gates and seat locations, accessibility needs, and real-time crowd conditions. So from an operations perspective, staff and emergency services receive spatial data to display heat maps and crowd densities, allowing for rapid deployment of employees, crowd control, and improve emergency response coordination. So from a geomatics standpoint, we are using geolocation and crowd sensing data, which includes features like gateway times, dynamic feedback from the Coliseum if large crowds are detected, connecting existing medical priority dispatch systems, leading to faster response times, multilingual options for guests around the world, and itinerary routers, and much more. So a key component to the solution is extending experience as well for visitors in the Hamilton area, past and or pre and post concert. So attendees will get information like local dining and free or post show to help with the revitalization of the downtown area, to reduce the ingress and egress of event goers. And incentives that we can include like dining at local places for discounts, as well as early entrance windows. And from an operations standpoint, we could use this in real time to enable wireless access points and GPS-based locations through fixed thermal sensors located at strategic locations. And for that, we could use our mobile devices will contribute to positional data, allowing fan movements and model that is dynamic spatial system rather than a static graph. The data will support live decision-making in live events, including redirecting pedestrian flow, accessible routes, and maintaining clear emergency corridors. After events, the same spatial data could be used to inform and make strategic decisions where crowds should be dispersed to. And then from sidewalks and congestions, this will be somewhat cleared off and improve transit efficiency, as well as maintain safe access for residents and emergency responders throughout the core of downtown.
Okay, so some of the drawbacks and benefits of our app's proposal is that the solution requires ongoing system maintenance of the app. So regular calibration of sensors, thermal and the thermal sensing, and a baseline level of smartphone use among fans is required. While some users may not choose, like elderly or people who aren't as keen on using their cell phones to use or engage in the app, the overall congestion reduction benefits that the app provides benefits all employee or all attendees and even nearby residents through improved crowd dispersion and traffic flow. Some of the benefits are quite substantial. Event-related congestions are reduced without physical infrastructure changes. Public transit use is encouraged to be through improved wayfinding and real-time spatial data, supports safer pedestrian movement and faster emergency response. Over time, the collected data enables long-term collaboration with the city of Hamilton to inform pedestrians, pedestrian infrastructure improvements, event day traffic controls, and future transit planning. Additionally, integrating the Coliseum into the existing downtown area supports daytime revitalization through local artists and vendors as an extension of the nearby farmers market to help avoid isolated event-only landscapes seen in comparable venues.
I mean, collaboration is key, basically, is the thing that we want to convey to you guys. You can go to the next slide.
And what we were going to do is manage it in 3 different phases. So phase 1 would be integration of the mobile app, thermal sensors and fixtures, as well as digital signage around the place. Phase 2 would be measurement and calibration, so using that spatial data in order to make everything more efficient. And phase 3 would be operations expansions, where we further go into scaling up operations and probably getting into collaboration with either the HSR or with Go Transit in order to get more event-based shuttles or bus services. As I'm showing this image over here.
Yeah, favorable outcomes include a reduced spillage of pedestrian traffic on Bay Street, reduced downtown spillover by keeping sidewalks and curb lanes functioning, invigorated downtown tourism, extending the experience of visitors as a whole day event with Hamilton as a destination, providing CN Rail with concrete evidence of increased ridership or need for ridership, containing crowds during ingress and egress, giving local artists and vendors an outdoor extension of the farmers market, and encouraging daytime use and discouraging misuse and crime, and a dynamic future-focused approach that prioritizes sustainability, customer experience, and resident standard of living. We thank you again for the opportunity to share our